Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and somebody has said that basically using a flawed item will basically bring down the quality of your work. And I just want to keep it real with you and tell you what I think. With that being said, let's get it. Okay, I went to the clearance section at Dollar Tree, right? And I saw that bowl, and I'm like, ooh, I can use that. But it had a chip in it, okay? Now, I'm like, man, I could still use this for the base of my gift, right? So that's why I purchased the gift, okay? So I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and do a video and show you what I can do with it, right? So, I received a comment saying that, basically using a flawed item will bring down the quality of your work. Now, it had me think about, in my mind, I'm like, because I'm covering, nobody's going to know. You can't use the bowl. It's just for the base. You can't use the bowl. It's just, just the base for the items, right? And then it's going to be covered up with the bowl, so nobody's going to see. That's how I was thinking, right? So it actually had me thinking. So I'm like, man, my mom be on it about these type of things. So let me call her. So I called and talked to my mom. And to make a long story short, okay, that woman was absolutely right. Because I had to think and change my thinking pattern. Like, hey, I want to be the best that I can possibly be in everything I do. So I want to give you, my customers, top quality products, even though, I find deals and stuff. She was right. So how can I fix it, right? Let me show you. Boom. No chips, no nothing. We're going to start from scratch and start over and recreate this exact same gift using a fresh bowl, okay? Now, the positive thing about this situation for me is I am going to make it where the bowl is usable. And yeah, so that way I can charge a little bit more money because now I can have the bowl be usable. So I will not be putting no bowl, I won't be gluing the foam inside of this bowl, right? I'm going to set it up where everything is basically the same, but they can use the bowl. And to secure it, I am going to actually use a shrink wrap bag to secure all my items so nothing will come apart, okay? So that is how I'm going to fix it. So this situation is actually a blessing. This could be a word from somebody. Your mistakes can actually be your blessing, you guys, because now I can charge a little bit more money than what I intended to in the first place. So I want to throw that out there to you guys and let you know. Did I think about taking down the video? Absolutely not. I'm going to leave that video up because I feel that all of us can learn. All right. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.